Hi guys, let us discuss this question which is present in NEET 2025. The question is the standard heat of formation in kilocalorie per mole of barium 2 plus is how much? This option on this, option 2 this, option 3 this one and option 4 this one. So to calculate this, the given some values like given standard heat of formation of sulfate ion aqueous is minus 216 kilocalorie per mole and standard heat of crystallization of barium sulfate solid is minus 4.5 kilocalorie per mole and standard heat of formation of barium sulfate is equal to minus 349 kilocalorie per mole. So now we have to calculate this value, the standard heat of formation for barium 2 plus. Now this is the question from chemical thermodynamics chapter mentioned in the NEET syllabus, and we can understand this, we can solve this if we understand the Hess law. So what is the Hess law? Hess law states that the total enthalpy change for a chemical reaction is the same regardless the pathways or the number of steps taken. So if one reactant converted to the product in a single step, then we can say its delta H formation is the delta H reaction. If that is proceed give product through several steps like step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4, and in case of step 1 is the heat delta H1, it in case of step 2 it is the delta H2, in case of step 3 it is the delta H3 and step 4 it is the delta H4. So then overall the heat of reaction delta H reaction is equal to delta H1 plus delta H2 plus delta H3 plus delta H4. So this is the Hess laws. Now for delta H formation, delta F delta HF0 for BSO4 solid given minus 349 kilocalorie per mole and barium solid plus sulfur solid plus 2O2 gas produce thus barium sulfate solid, and delta H crystallization for barium sulfate solid is minus 4.5 kilocalorie per mole, and it's looks like barium 2 plus aqueous plus sulfate 2 minus aqueous gives this barium sulfate solid in the crystallization form, and this delta HF0 for sulfate 2 minus aqueous, so it is also mentioned 216 for sulfate. That means sulfur oxygen plus aqueous gives the SO4 2 minus aqueous, that is also given. Now delta is F0 for barium 2 plus aqueous we have to calculate. Now barium solid plus aqueous gives the aqueous solution, it can generate barium 2 plus aqueous. So let's consider this is X, we have to find this value X. What is the X? According to the Hess's law, delta HF0 of BaSO4 solid is equal to delta F0 delta HF0 of Ba2 plus aqueous plus delta HF0 for SO4 2 minus aqueous plus crystallization delta H crystallization 0 BaSO4. So that means it is given minus 349 and is equal to the X for Ba2 plus for SO4 2 minus minus 216 plus crystallization minus 4.5. So X equal to minus 128.5 kilocalorie per mole. That means this is the first option, option 1. So correct option is the option 1 here by calculation. So thank you guys.